In our previous video, we made an authentic momone, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you my okra stew recipe. Super authentic, tastes absolutely good, and goes well with banku, kinke. Even you can enjoy it with rice. A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash, and to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you to you. I've already prepped all the ingredients I'll be using. In this bowl, I have some gingers, garlics, onions. I'll first put them in a blender, add a little bit of water to it and blend it nicely. Alright, once I'm done with the blending, I pour it on the meat. I've already washed the meat and I will proceed to add some spice mix I made. Next is some salt to taste, and then I give it a quick mix. If you want to see how I made the spice mix, I'll leave a link down in the description. Please check it out once you're done with this video. After giving it a mix, I'm going to cover it and leave it to start cooking. So I love to parboil the okra before using it. In this pan, I add in some chopped okra, some grated okra. The next thing to add is some chopped garden eggs, a little bit of the spice mix, and then come in with some water. Now if you do not have the spice mix at home, you can replace it with some seasoning powder. I'll give it a very good mix. The last thing that will come in is some chopped onions. Give it a very good stir once again and then bring it to a boil. So about 5 minutes later, this is what I'm having. It is not well cooked. I give it a stir, leave it on fire for additional 5 minutes. So basically I cook the okra for 10 minutes and off the fire. Meanwhile, the meat is on fire. I give it a quick stir and cook it till it is about 90% done. So in a different pot, I add in some palm oil. I will fry this onion in for about 5 minutes or till the onions are well fried, and then take out all the onions and discard it. Once I've taken all the onions out, I add in fresh onions again, fry it for about a minute, and then come in with some cured fish, that is momone. I'm going to fry this together with the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, I add in my blended ingredients and fry for about 5 minutes. Now the blended ingredients consist of tomato and pepper and a little bit of water. That is 5 minutes of frying it. I will put this on a medium heat and once again fry it for about 3 minutes. Alright, let's build some flavors. I add in some stock from the meat and give it a very quick stir. I'm not going to be adding in salt because the stock contains a lot of salt. I'll leave it on fire to simmer for 2 minutes. It is now time to add in some prawns. You can use shrimps. I think shrimps and prawns are two different things, right? I give it a very quick stir, and because I want the infusion of flavors in the prawns, I leave it on fire to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now time to add in the smoked fishes. I'm using smoked mackerel and smoked catfish. Give it a very good stir. At this point, when you're making yours, check whether your salt and your seasonings are at the right consistency. If not, then feel free to add in to your preference. I added in the cooked meat, give it a stir, and then I'm going to leave it on fire to do its things for about 2 minutes. Now to the moment we are all waiting for, I gently pour into the stew the cooked okra and garden eggs. I'll give this a very good mix so everything is well blended in. And at this moment, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and do not forget to share it out there. Thank you. So after adding in the okra, I tasted for salt and it was not too much. So I add in a little bit of the leftover stock. Give it a quick, beautiful stir. And now that everything is in the stew, I wish you were here. Ha! The aroma of it, and it tastes so good. I'm going to allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Alright, yummies. After 2 minutes, that is the okra stew. Tastes absolutely good. You don't have to cook it further for like 5-10 minutes because already the stew base is cooked, the okra is cooked. So basically our okra stew is done, and I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, do not forget to think yummy cashews.